Magandang araw. Ngayon ay pag-usapan natin ang identifying the percentage, base, and rate. So, ano nga ba yung rate? Rate is the number with a percent sign. So, nakita niyo yung binilugan ko. So, yan yung hahanapan natin para malaman natin na yung number na yun ay yung rate. It is the ratio of the amount to the base. So, pag sabing rate, ina-express niya yung ratio ng amount to the base or ng given amount. So, let us have this example. 5% of 300 is 15. So, obviously, ito yung ating rate kasi meron siyang percent sign. Next, percentage is often used to express a proportionate part of a total. Ibig sabihin, proportionate part. Ibig sabihin, pag sabing percentage, bahagi lamang siya ng total or ng kabuuan. Proportionate part siya is the number or amount that represents a part of a whole. Ayun nga po, part of a whole. Bahagi siya ng kabuuan. So, dito, para malaman natin kung ano yung percentage, karaniwan, ito yung before or after ng is. Kasi yung is, ito ay nagre-represent ng equal sign. So, sa problem na to, 40 is 20% of 100. So, nauna si 40 kay is. So, yung 40, ito yung ating percentage. Next, base is the original number. So, ito yung ating original number. It is the number that represents the whole. So, siya yung kabuuan natin. It is usually followed by a preposition of. So, hanapin natin dito yung of. 60% of 200 is 120. So, ito yung of natin. After nung of, yun yung ating base. So, ito yung 200. So, yan yung ating identifying percentage, base, and rate. So, yun lang. Thank you and God bless.